Good morning student, myself Verapera. Today I will teach about the chapter linear inequation. What? Linear inequation. Before that, what do you mean by linear equation? What do you mean by linear equation? So, a linear equation is a statement or a mathematical statement, right? A mathematical statement, involving one unknown says X. One unknown says X with highest power 1. With highest power 1. Which states that one quantity is equal to another quantity. Generally, we are writing Ax plus b equals to c. What? Ax plus b equals to c. Here, x power is 1. A is unknown variable which having the coefficient which is the coefficient of x, and v is unknown variable and c is unknown variable. So for finding the value of x, we are writing the steps like ax equals to c minus b, x equals to c minus b divided by a. This one about the generally linear equation. Instead of equal to, when we are writing, instead of equals to, when you are writing x plus b less than c, x plus b greater than c, x plus b less than equal to c, x plus b greater than equal to c. In linear equation, we are reading about a mathematical statement involving one unknown says x with highest power 1. Here highest power is 1. Okay, which state that one quantity is equal to another quantity. But in a linear inequation, what you will write? A mathematical statement involving one unknown says x with highest power 1, which state that one quantity is not equal to, which is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than to another quantity is called your linear inequation. What? Linear inequation. So, what you can write generally in linear inequation, ax plus b less than c, ax plus b greater than c, ax plus b less than equal to c, ax plus b greater than equals to c. So these are the general form of the linear inequation. What a linear inequation. The inequation. Now solve the inequation. Three x plus 7 greater than 43. X belongs to W and graph the solution on a number line. So how can you solve this equation? 3x plus 7 greater than 43 and is given x belongs to W and graph the solution on a number line. Let's start. 3x plus 7 greater than 43 is a statement given and here given x belongs to W. X belongs to W. So first 3x plus 7 and 43 is given. So when you are shifting this plus 7 to that side, it becomes minus. So what you have to do? You write here minus 7, here minus 7. Otherwise generally you write 3x plus 3x greater than 43 minus 7. 3x greater than 43 minus 7 how much? 36. So x greater than 36 by 3. Therefore x greater than 12. What do you get? X greater than 12. What do you have done? Just in the equation, you are here only equal to is there. So you are shifting that number that side, means you are getting plus sign is converted into minus. So plus 7, here I written minus 7. So 3x greater than 43 minus 7, 3x greater than 36. Therefore 3x, here 3 is multiplies there. So 3 when goes that side, it will divide. So 3x divided by 3 equals to x greater than what? 12. So this one you are solved. This one about written x greater than 12. How you can write the solution set of x greater than 12? So how can you write? Solution set equals to x subset of x greater than 12. X belongs to W. This one is your what? Solution set equals to, here written x greater than 12 means 13, 14, 15 dot will come. What are 13, 14, 15 dot will come. So how can you represent this 13, 14, 15 dot okay in a number line? So how can you write? First you write a number line. So you start here 0, middle, minus 1, minus 2, increasing, yes or no? Yeah, increasing, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. Next here, this side 1, 2, 3, dot. I am starting here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, here you write an arrow mark. So what I told, it's starting from 13. So 13 means here what is given? 13 is given, yes or no? Or you can write x what? Greater than 12. Greater than 12 means which one? 13. When you are writing about the whole number, you just write 13, 14, 15. Okay, so it is greater than given. So greater than given means you just write a dot equal to that. So dot and you mark an arrow. arrow means it is increasing. What is it? It is increasing. So this one is about your simple problem. Okay. So how you solve this problem? Next we will start another question. How the question is that 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2 less than or equals to 3x plus 5 and x belongs to R. This one is the question given to you and you have to solve this equation and inequation and write the solution set in number line. How can you solve? First step, what you have to do? First you write this much one. First step, 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. So minus 3 is there, x is there, 2 is there, 2x is there. Number of variables are coming. So what you have to do? You first think in your mind that you shift x one side and number another side. So x is what here? 2x. This x is here. So when you shift this side, minus is x. Okay. Next, less than 2. When this minus will go that side, it becomes plus. So 2x minus x equal to how much? X less than 5. This one is your first step. So I am writing in equation 1. Next, you start from here. X plus 2. What? X plus 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 5. Less than or equals to 3x plus 5. So like that you shift. What you have to shift? 2 minus 5 less than equals to 3x minus x. What? 3x minus x. 2 minus 5 equal to how much? 3. Less than equals to 3x minus x equal to how much? 2x. Therefore, x equals to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 means how much? Minus 1.5 less than equals to x. So this one is your equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write minus 1.5 less than equals to x less than what? 5. So this one is your answer, minus 1.5 to 5. So how can you represent in solution set? So here real number is given. X belongs to R. So what you have to write here? You have to write here x subset of minus 1.5 to x 5 and x belongs to R. This one is your solution set. What your solution set. So minus 1.5 to x and 5. So what is the range? Minus 1.5 to 5. What is the solution set you written here? X subset of minus 1.5 to equals to. Here what is written? Less than equals to x and less than 5. So how can you represent this one into a number line? So for the number line, what do you have to do? You write a line and you write 0 here, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus. So what is here? You are getting minus 1.5. So minus 1.5 is coming in between minus 1 to minus 2. So I am writing here minus 1.5. Okay, here 5 is there. Okay, yes or no? Here 5 is there. So how can you write minus 1.5 to 5? But here given equals to. So you write a dark circle. What do you have to write? Dark circle here. Okay, equals to is given, so you are writing dark circle. But here not equals to is given, so you write a hollow circle. Okay, then you know that x belongs to R means all the number. What are all the number including fraction, including what? Fraction, decimal and numbers. So what do you have to write here? So here the solution set is minus 1.5 to 5 means all the number will come. Either it may be fraction, decimal, number, whatever may be the numbers are there in between, it comes under this what? Number line. So what you have to do? You write a hollow dark circle and here hollow circle because it is not equal to given, they are equal to given, and you just mark this line totally dark. Okay? Yes or no? This one totally dark. Otherwise, you can write like this also. What? You have to equal to is given, you write a straight line. Okay? Not equal to is given, you write a what? Half moon here. Okay? And you make a line and mark dark like this. Okay? Like this also you can do. So this one is about your linear inequation and how you solve the linear inequation. Next is what about this chapter. Question is what? Given A equals to x circuit of 11x greater than 7x plus 3. X belongs to R and your B is given B equals to x subject 18x minus 9 greater than or equals to 15 plus 12x. Here this one also belongs to R. What he told? He told that first solve this linear equation and write the set of A intersection or find the value of A intersection B. So before that, what you have to write? You have to solve A equals to how much, B equal to how much, and after that you write A intersection B. A intersection B means what the common value of A and B you have to write in a number line. So first you solve x. Sorry, A equals to how much? A equals to given here 11x, 7x plus 3. So 11x minus 7x greater than 3. 4x greater than 3. X greater than 3 by 4. So what are you getting? X greater than 3 by 4. Yes or no? Next, B equals to how much? 18x minus 9 greater than or equals to 15 plus 12x. So what you are getting here? 18x minus 12x 15 plus 9. So how much you are getting here? 6x greater than equals to 15 plus 9 equal to how much? 24. X greater than equals to 24 by 6 equal to how much? 4. X greater than equals to 4. So what you are getting here? X greater than 3 by 4 and x greater than 4. In A, x is greater than 3 by 4. In B, x is greater than 4. But here what he told, x greater than 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 means what? 0 point something it will come. So 0 point something means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the number what you are getting, x belongs to R. X belongs to R means all the number just 3 by 4. Next to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all that. But here x greater than 4. But here look, here x greater than 3 by 4, here x greater than equals to 4 is written. So what the common number will come? X greater than 4. But x greater than 4. So common, why I told about the common? Because he told A intersection B. What you told? A intersection B. A intersection B solution set equal to what you can write? X subject of x greater than 4 and x belongs to R. Why I written x greater than 4 greater than or equals to 4? Because here it's setting x greater than 3 by 4, but 3 by 4 means here it come 1, 2, 3 also and 4 also. But here x greater than 4, here starting is 4, here starting is after 1. So common is what? After 4. From the both, common is what? After 4. So you are writing x greater than equals to 4 and x belongs to R. How can you write in number line? So first you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are mark I given because greater than each one. So what you will write? So greater than 4 means greater than or equals to 4. So equal to means I told you dark circle you have to do. Okay, it increasing. So you have to write this one dark and you mark the error of the dark. So this one is about your how you solve the linear inequation and how can you write about the A intersection B. It may ask you A union B, but A union B. He may be ask you A minus B. He may be ask you B minus A. He may be ask you A dash intersection B. He may be ask you A intersection B dash. What he will ask you? A intersection B dash. So A union B means all the value. All the value you have to write. Either it may be present in the B set or not. That is not a matter. You have to write A union B means from where it originally started. It originally started after 3 by 4. So you have to write after 3 by 4. A minus B. A minus B means the number which are in set A, but it is not set in the B. B minus A means it is in the B, not in the A. Okay, A dash means what you have to do? You have to find out A dash. A dash means what? The number which is belongs to R set, but not the A set. So what do you have to write? A dash means before that you have to find A dash equals to real number minus what? A. Real number set what you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, all the number minus A. Then you will get A dash and A dash intersection B you can find out because common A intersection B dash you can find out. I hope student, I think you can understand about the chapter linear inequation. Solve the problem what are given in your book. See the example clearly and try to solve all the questions. If you are having any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, and I hope you can understand the problems. You will try. I am having the hope that you can try in your home. Thank you.